So I'm out here in Commerce City at the Civic Center. You can see it just behind me here, where they're hosting their annual tree lighting ceremony, and this could not be a more perfect night for it. I mean, all of the snow is on the ground, and they're calling this a winter wonderland. That's the theme that they're having for this event this year. And one of the new things that they're doing this year is they've actually installed this ice rink just behind me here. Now, as you can imagine, it's kind of hard to operate an ice rink with the warm November that we just had. And I mean, this is the first time that we're seeing snow really stick on the ground here in any of the metro areas. And, you know, a lot of city officials, they told me that leading up to opening this ice rink tonight, they said they were unsure if they were even going to be able to open this because of the warm weather. Thankfully, they say it was a winter miracle, a Christmas miracle, maybe you could say, that the snow was able to come in and they were able to keep the temperatures to a place where they can keep this ice rink operational. But also, one thing they're dealing with right now that you can see is they have employees out here that have been shoveling snow off of this ice rink all night long. As you can imagine, you can't operate an ice rink if it's covered in snow. But the plan for tonight is to have this thing go full steam ahead, hopefully get a bunch of skaters out here as well. And one thing that the city tells me as well is that this is not something that they're opening just for tonight. This will be an ice rink that should be open 5 days a week here at the Civic Center in Commerce City. They're going to have their tree lighting ceremony tonight that kicks off in just a few hours. And then, like I said, they should have, as long as the weather participates, an ice rink open to the public most days of the week.